Good morning, student. Again, Devin Chaturvedi. Continue the part division of rational number. In the previous video, I have explained the division of two rational number as well as simplification. Now, in this video, I will cover some fill-ups and reciprocal of rational numbers. So, let us start with the question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Part number 1, 5/19 is divided by box, means other rational number, and minus 5/19. So student, check the proper solution. Whenever a one equal sign will come in question, you can use this implies. Now 5/19 is divided by x. You can use x here is equal to minus 5/19. Now division symbol will go right side. 5/19 is equal to minus 5/19. Focus here. And divide moves right side with the multiplication. Okay, you know the transposition, division will move to multiplication. Whenever x will come in product form, then you will find answer, otherwise no. Now 5/19. Now transfer minus 5/19 right to left side. Here is the product form, then this number moves to division form. Is equal to, here is the x will remain here. Now 5/19. Now divide, convert into multiply, and reciprocal of the divisor. So here is a 1 negative sign, then 19 1 ja 19 and 5 1 ja 5. Then 1/1 is called 1. So x is equal to minus 1 will the result. So put here minus 1 inside the box. I hope you will understand this process. Now check the other part. We'll do like this, and third part will same. So second part is this. Minus 17/2 is divided by what rational number become 1. When you know the answer will plus, you can do direct. If p/q minus p/q is divided by minus p/q, then result is 1. As you know, when 2 is divided by 2, the result is 1. But here is plus, here is negative, then the divisor also is negative, because minus minus, here is plus. So minus 17/2 is divided by minus 17/2. The result is 1. So the number which is come in box will be same. So this is the shortcut method, but if you find to value inside the box, you will do the same procedure. The third part is 19/4 is divided by what number? The result is minus 1. Look here, if the negative number, the answer is positive. Now here is a positive number, answer is negative. So you will do with the other side. when plus minus become minus, then since p upon q, this is a rational number, is divided by minus p upon q with the same number but suffix be changed, then you will get -1. So the final answer is 19 upon 4 will divided by minus 19 upon 4, you will get -1. So minus 19 upon 4 will be required result. So student, I hope you will understand this concept. Fill in the blanks. Now, last part of this question is box is divided by 1, the result is -1, sorry, the result is 33 by 2. This implies box is equal to 33 by 22. As you know, divisor will go to right side by multiplication, then -1. If any number is multiplied with -1, the result is minus. So box is equal to, box means x is equal to -33 upon 22. So this is the proper answer. I hope you will understand. So student, the next question, find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of -5 upon 6. As you know, in the previous video, they reverse their numerator and denominator. This is called 6 upon -5 or -6 upon 5. Both are the correct answer. Now second part, reciprocal of -3 upon 14. So as you reverse their order, this is 14 upon -3 or -14 by 3. Now third one, reciprocal of -1. You can note down this word reciprocal of the in front of the given part. The reciprocal of -1, this is -1 upon 1. Then this is also called -1, 1 upon -1. Because 1 is called 1 by 1, reverse their order, then minus goes into denominator, or 1 is divided by 1 and put negative suffix. Now the fourth part, reciprocal of -1 upon 17 is called 17 upon -1 or -17. If 1 will come in denominator, we can remove it. The last part of this, the reciprocal, very much important part of this one, reciprocal of 0 by 7 is called 7 upon 0 is equal to does not exist. Does not exist or not defined. Not defined because 0 will never come in denominator. So student, I hope you will understand these question in 2 videos. If you feel difficulty to solve in practice, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.